Now I used to spend hours creating my video, editing my video, and then when I post it, it ends up getting about 0 to 10 views. Now I felt that my content was bad, but turns out my thumbnails were shit, and that was why people were not clicking on my video. Now in this video, I will show you exactly how you can create amazing thumbnails like this and this, all with the help of an AI tool. Now you're going to learn exactly how I created this thumbnail for this particular video. Now with no further ado, let me show you exactly how you can create this from the comfort of your own using your smartphone. Let's get right into it. So this is what the interface looks like. From this point, you can log in into the account if you've signed up previously. If you haven't signed up, you are required to either sign up with your Google account or your email address. Once I click on that, it's going to take me to this interface, and from here you can see all the features that this particular website can offer. It can help you create thumbnail, it can recreate thumbnail, it can download YouTube thumbnail. So it does quite a lot of things that can help you to improve your thumbnail game. Now, the first one I want to try is the create thumbnail from text to thumbnail, which means you're going to be inputting a prompt, and from that prompt is going to generate a thumbnail for you. So now I'm going to click on that, and we have arrived to the interface. Here you can see there is text to thumbnail and then image to thumbnail, which is self-explanatory actually. So for this place, I will impute my prompt. You have to add your face as well, so that any thumbnail that is creating will have an image of yourself in it. So now I already uploaded an image of myself, but if you want to upload an image, you're going to click on create, then click on upload, and then click on the image you would love to upload. Now this section has quite a number of emotions. What this means is that if your picture like has a straight face, it can help you create an emotion in your pictures. Emotion can run from shocked, hyped, angry, screaming, and things like that. So if you're trying to do this, you just pick an emotion that aligns with what you want to create. It's important that you pick an emotion you love to use, or just leave your image as it is. So I picked an emotion now, so I'm going to go ahead and name my pictures, which I named it Tina. And then you can see that I have 3 images here. The first one I created, and the last 2 that you just saw me upload. Now that is the first part. Now the second part, I have to go to ChatGPT and get the prompt. Now if you want this prompt, I will try to put it in the description box so that you can easily copy and paste it to generate something similar to what I have here. Now that I've pasted the prompt, I'm going to check for the aspect ratio. Of course, I want 16:9 because it's a YouTube video. Then I'll also check the style. What kind of style do I want? These are styles that are provided by the app or the website. If I don't like any of them, I'm just going to go ahead and look for a style manually. Now this is very important because this will dictate to it what you want to do. So now I clicked on my style, and I would love to upload some of my thumbnails so that it can get like an idea of how my thumbnail looks. Now this is a thumbnail from my previous video, so he said he should upload 3 to 5 thumbnail, but I just uploaded one just to show you guys how it's done. Now below it you can see that you have to enter the name of the style. I'm just going to put my name there again, and of course you can choose any name of your choice. It's just for you to be able to identify it and also to help the AI tool. Now I'm going to click on analyze so that it can analyze my thumbnail and understand what my channel is about, understand the kind of content I use, the fonts, the colors, and everything, so that I have like an identical thumbnail and not just completely different. So now it has helped me to analyze it. You can see it listed a lot of features that it found in my thumbnail, from neon signs to eye contrast. These are all features of my thumbnail. Now I'm going to save it. Another one I want to try now is to use someone's thumbnail, which I'm going to go to YouTube for this. So I want to import the channel link of someone that does similar content as me, so that I can mimic the person's thumbnail generation style. So now I imputed AI with Blessing, and you can see 2 people with Blessing here. I'm just going to click on this level up with Blessing, and I'll go ahead and copy our channel link, because this is the link the AI will use to identify our content when it starts searching for her on the net. So now I'm going to copy a link, and once I've copied the link, I will now go back into my interface so that I can paste it. You can see this YouTube link channel. I'll paste it there and I'll click on continue. So once I click on continue, to bring out a bunch of thumbnails because it's trying to analyze it, and you can see so much here. I'm going to click on analyze, and once I click on analyze, it will start analyzing it to figure out the features, the colors, the fonts, and everything that makes the AI thumbnail to look really really good at the end of the day. So once it's done analyzing, it's going to also put the name here, life level up with blessing. I'm going to save so that anytime I want to use, I can just click on it and use it. Now you can see that the two styles have been recorded. All I have to do now is to click the image I want to use, which is this one that has the red mark. And once I've clicked on it, I'll choose the style. From the style I uploaded, I chose the level up with blessing style. Next thing I'm going to do is to check for my aspect ratio and the variation, the number of variation I want it to create of that particular thing. After that, I'll click on generate and also wait for it to generate. This generation process doesn't take long at all, and within seconds this was what it was able to generate. Now this is good, this is nice, and it reflects what I asked it to do in the prompt. Now I want to try another method. I want to take a YouTube thumbnail from a top creator that has like a lot of viewing audience. So once I click on the YouTube thumbnail download, it's going to bring me to this interface, and I need to paste the link of a creator. Now I'm going to go to YouTube and type AI thumbnail creator so that I can get thumbnails for people that have made a video about this same topic that I want to post. So the first one is not really quite it. I'm going to scroll down a bit until I find one that I like, and this one really caught my interest. It has lots of views, it's captivating, it's interesting to look at. So I'm just going to copy the link and then go back to our website and paste that link there. Now you have options to take your pictures in 4K, HD, original, XD, depending on what you want. I'm just going to click on extract thumbnail so that it can start the generation immediately. And this even, it didn't take up to 5 seconds, and it has already extracted the thumbnail for me. And this is what it looks like. This looks really really interesting and I love it. So I'm just going to go back to the explore and try out the last part. Now this is the part that I've been waiting for. There are a lot of things you can do with the YouTube thumbnail downloader. You can explore that yourself. Now back at the explore, I'm going to click on recreate thumbnail, which means I'm going to impute a thumbnail to this website, and it helps me recreate something similar to that. So now the thumbnail that I downloaded, I've already clicked on upload and it's uploading that already. So you have an option of putting a prompt in if you want to like give it a bit of specific instructions so that I can alter the thumbnail and you don't use someone's thumbnail on your video, which is not professional at all. And I'm going to go back to ChatGPT right now. So now I'm back in ChatGPT and I want to do something interesting. I want to show the thumbnail to ChatGPT so that ChatGPT can give me like a better prompt, not the prompt I used in the first thumbnail generation, so that you can use this image to give me specific prompts that is going to describe the image as it is. Now this prompt has to be detailed so that when our thumbnail creator is creating it, he's going to follow the prompt to the T. So now ChatGPT is developing the prompt for me, and you can see that it's quite long. I'm just going to say, oh, from all these features and explanation you just gave me from this image, can you create an actual prompt that can encompass everything you just mentioned? And of course ChatGPT would create that for me. So now this is just the prompt. There is no long explanation in this part, so I'm just going to copy it now, and then I will add back into our AI thumbnail creator, because that is where the magic is going to happen. So once I've copied the information that I want to copy and the prompt is suitable for what I want to use it for, and you're sure that this prompt is actually okay, so ensure you read it so that you know if it aligns with what you're trying to portray. So back into the interface, I'm going to paste that particular prompt that I got from ChatGPT. I'm going to check for other information, pick a face, the face that I uploaded already. If you don't have a face, you can leave it as it is, or you can try to describe a face to it. So now I'm about style. I don't want to pick a style because I'm already using someone's thumbnail, so that should show it the kind of style I want. So the aspect ratio is good, The generation number is 1. I don't want more than 1, so I'm just going to click on generate right now. And once I click on that, it will start the generation process, and we're going to see what it was able to create. As you can see, it's loading now. It's at 0%, and now it's completed. So let's see what it was able to create with this system I just used. I think this system is actually the best because it kind of gives it a vivid explanation of what you want your prompt to be like. Now this is simply amazing. This looks so good. It looks so good, and I love it. You can create your own thumbnail with this. You don't really need to stress about anything. Another thing I love about this website is that it tells you the score of your thumbnail, what is likely to score, how it's going to grab attention. And as you can see, this is 70%, this is 70%, which means it's going to garner a lot of clicks. Now, how do you subscribe to this website? You can see it has a paid subscription. You can get for $11, $29, $71, depending on what you want to do. These prices are for the yearly subscription, and it comes with a 40% discount off. Now the monthly version, when you click on that, you're going to see the prices. So if you're getting 40% off, it's actually better for you to subscribe to the monthly version. Now these other features are also here: AI face expression generator, and this app is still trying to develop, so there are a couple of things that have not been activated yet, so you need to get on it now. The link will be in the description box, so you can start using this website
Now,
ASAP.
after watching this video, I know you'll be able to start making amazing looking thumbnails so that your videos can start getting more likes and more engagement. Now, if you enjoyed watching this content, if you enjoyed watching this video and this tutorial, I want you to turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified when I drop more content like this. Also, subscribe to my channel, share my content, drop a comment below if you have any other topic or tutorial you would like me to explore or to show you how to go about it. I'll be happy to do that. So drop your comment in the comment section. Until next time, bye bye.